Hi everybody, it's Someone Girly here for another unboxing, this time of the Stickii Club for the month of May. I am uploading this a little late and I'm very apologetic for that. Just remember, I am visually impaired, and that means that I use reader glasses and the zoom on my camera to be able to see fine details, because otherwise I don't know what I'm looking at. This is going to be the cute pack for the month of May 2023. No spoilers, of course. You know me. I don't follow any social media when it comes to these anymore. The only time I ever know anything about them is when they email me stuff. So that way, I don't know what's coming until I get it. So that just kind of opened. It did kind of open. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Nothing in the packaging. Let's toss it off to the side for some recycling. You get to see the back and the front before I do. La la la. Let's see what we got here in our theme sticker. It's a very pretty blue. I can't see anything else besides that. Let's zoom. Okay, it looks like our theme sticker says it's milk and honey. I had to zoom in really far to be able to see it myself because of the colors, but let's come in a little bit more. We have some flowers, and we have I don't know what I'm seeing here, but I do see, I think, a honey stick there. It's very cute. I love the colors already. The colors, Duke. 90s kids will know that one. All right, in our accessory sticker, accessory pocket, looks like we got a sticker here. From this vantage point, I can see that we have one of those honey bear, like pour, I know how to say this. The container that you get from the store when you buy honey, especially when it's the regular honey. But look how adorable this is. My sister is gonna steal this pack. I can just see it. Here we have the information for the artist. There's a vinyl sticker. All right, and in our stationery pocket, by the way, I don't officially know if those are the names of the pockets. That's what I call them, because after almost 2 years of this, those are what's in them. I haven't changed where I put my trash can. All right, we have a notepad here. Multiple pages in it. There's the artist's information for what we're seeing here. It looks like a big jar of either milk or honey. I keep hitting the wrong buttons. There's a little cow on the top. Oh, look at the bee! Look at the bee! So does my sister. I'm going to lose everything in this. Okay, so it is just a large pot of milk and honey. I don't know if that combination is tasty. I've never had milk and honey beyond, like, you know, maybe just in some sort of chocolate or in a bath type soak thing. All right, it looks like we got some stickers and a stationery product I can feel back here. Let me check that out first. There's more bees on it. And it looks like it's a birthday card. I want to say it's a birthday card. It's got one of those clear envelopes. So if you want to actually send it in the mail, either you'll have to find something that can write on the envelope, or like I did with the last one I had, paste or glue like another piece of paper on here for you to be able to write on. Whatever you send in the mail, though, in a clear envelope, people are going to see, so make sure that you know what you're sending. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's so cute. And let's see here. It is an empty card, so you can write your own sentiment on the inside. Let me see here. Is this a bear? I can't tell. It's so dark, but it's so adorable. I think it's a bear. Look at that bee. That's a happy bee. And it says, it does say happy birthday. I am not wrong. Yay! Wonderful. Wonderful. I love when they add these little bits and bobs. Like, because like, you know, you want all the stickers, but at the same time, you want to be able to use the stickers in something, right? Right. All right. We have 7 sheets and they're all solid. So let's go through each one by one. And they all look very adorable and fun. All right, here we go with the first one here. I got a little bit of texturing on some of these. Vroom. Looks like more honey containers. Oh, these are so cute. Oh, little bees. I'm so excited for the little bees. Excuse my tiny little burps. I don't know why I'm burping. There's our artist. Put it off to the side. Next sheet. Full-size sheets. I love this. Big and little stickers. Now, is that a bear or is that a Shiba Inu? I don't know, but we have more little itty-bitty things. I love little itty-bitty stickers. I don't know why. They're hard for me to peel up, but I still love them. I'm thinking, no, this might be a fox, maybe? I don't know. What do you guys... Nope. I'm thinking the bear. Okay, now I'm thinking a bear because there's no tail. These are beautiful. Hey, we've seen them before. That studio. 100% have seen them before. Whoop. Too far. I'm going to make you guys dizzy. Here you go. Full-size sheet. And then time for me. We have got chunky little bee house and chunky little bees. And look at this one. He's a studious student. A busy bee, if you will. I think these are the bees from the birthday card. Why is the stinger on the wrong hand? Is that a stinger or is that a hat? The stinger is not on. Oh, wait. It could be a hat because look, there's a stinger back there. Yeah, this definitely goes along with the happy birthday bees. Happy birthday bees. Some of these are thick. These are thick cardstock. I love the colors on this. This probably goes along with the theme sticker. I'm thinking with the yep, it is. I'm right. I'm so right. I was thinking about it. These are very, very adorable. I love these. I love these so much. Okay. There is the artist information. You guys gotta help me. How do I keep these away from my sister so I can have them? No, I'm lying. I will definitely share these with her. I have a pile of stickers that I'm sharing with her. And she doesn't know it yet because I haven't sent them yet. Oh, look how adorable. Oh, these are just precious. These are teeny tiny stickers. And they're all like piled up on top of each other, so there's so many on this sheet. It's a baby cow. Okay, now I want cows and bees to be like part of my world. I'm going to assume somewhere on here is the artist mark. Or it's from Stickii. I'm not sure. I can't really tell because everything's piled up on top of each other. Alright, here we go with this sheet. Teeny tiny stickers. Teeny tiny stickers. They're teeny. They're tiny. They're little itty bitty cows. Oh my goodness. And now I'm so happy that there's teeny tiny cows. I love cows. I love their faces. I love that cows, fun fact, they have best friends. Other cows. And they will search them out when they go out into pastures and stuff like that. And they will hang out all day long. This is from Stickii. Can you imagine just chilling out in a pasture all day long? Last sticker sheet with your best friend. With your best friend. This is a shiny sheet. Ooh, I think there's sparkles. Do you see sparkles? Vroom. Yes, I see sparkles. So, let's see here. That looks like a puppy with some toast. I think that's a kitty. I think they're having a meal. There's a bear. Oh, a calico. They're all... Oh, I love this. Oh, look at these. All different kinds of things. And the artist. This was an amazing and cute fun pack. Never thought that I would see something like this. I've been, like I said, I've been getting this for 2+ years now, and the themes every single time are amazing. Can you imagine that they go into the group of people that make the stickers for them besides Stickii Club? They're like, hey, this is the theme we're gonna do. Run with it, and this is what we get, and this is absolutely positively the most adorableness. Thank you so much for coming along, and I will see you in my next unboxing video, which will hopefully be the pop pack. And other than that, you have yourself a good day. Bye-bye.